This one, I don't know. It's probably a bass. Well, he certainly don't want to come up. Might be a brown. But he followed it all the way here, and when I stripped, he took a swipe at it. And then I stripped 2 more times and boom. And it wasn't a boom. I think it might still be a bass. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, it's a bass. It's a brown. Look at that. Got him right in a bad spot. Well, he rolled at it. He's 13 and a half. He's got a little bit of a blood. Oh, he should heal. It's not. Not super big, but it's a nice fish. $15. Look at that chartreuse. Nailed that chartreuse. Yeah, he's 14 and a half. 14 and a half. Oi! There you go.